12:24 here on this hot day. You know, I think if you just go outside every day, it's going to look the same. It's going to be hot, and it's going to be hot tomorrow, and hot the next day, and hot the next day, and next day, next day. It just keeps going for a while. Hot weather continues across the valley. We're into that time of year when this is usually the hottest time of the year when you get into a weather pattern that can just be persistently hot and sunny. That's what we have. The heat index feels like about 110 or a little higher in the next few days in spots, and may even get at its hottest point later this week. More heat is on the way. I think temperatures staying right around about what you see today, or maybe slightly higher the next few days. Here's a pretty little graph again for you. The next 3 days for a few cities there, you pick out Brownsville, Harlingen, and McAllen. Brownsville, the coolest of the three cities, but you see how the trend today is upper 90s and lower 100s, but tomorrow a couple degrees hotter in some areas, especially in the Upper Valley, about 104 in McAllen for highs Thursday and Friday, and about 99 to maybe touching 100 at times around Brownsville later in the week. But the heat index about 105 to maybe as hot as 115 at times. So it's going to be hot. No heat advisory today, but it might return at some point over the next couple days as it does get a little bit hotter again. Feels pretty hot right now. Here's the current heat index, 113 in Brownsville, 105 in McAllen, 106 in Rio Grande City. Again, that's the heat index. That's the feels like temperature. I don't know why we put the quotes around it, but that's what it feels like out there. Winds are a little breezy today, gusts of about 25 miles per hour, a little more from the south and southeast, still bringing up some humidity, and the humidity being kept high. Dew points kind of up there in the mid 70s. In fact, if you're up early, the dew points kind of get a little higher in the morning, especially right along the coast. Dew point was actually around 82 for a while in Brownsville this morning, so made it feel a little extra muggy if you're up early this morning for a little walk or run at sunrise. Now, Future Track shows a lot of sunshine around. And this map, you know, if the computer model went out far enough, it would look this way for probably the next 10 days. But sunshine around today, no rain chance at all. And then tonight, mostly clear skies, muggy night when it may not get below 80 in many areas. And then tomorrow, maybe a few patchy morning clouds, otherwise sunshine again. And once again, probably up around 100 degrees or so, and a little breeze going from the southeast again. And then by the time we get to Friday to start your weekend, sunshine around, and again, hot. Temperatures probably again right up to around 100 degrees. And like I said, this may continue for several days. In fact, we'll show you later on this hour. I want to show you the one computer model's rainfall forecast, which is looking pretty quiet. If you're waiting for rain for your yard, it's going to be a long wait. Tropics, so nothing going on in the Gulf of Mexico. Caribbean's pretty quiet. There are a couple of tropical waves out there, but none that are expected to really come to life. You see one here coming into the Caribbean, another tropical wave up here on the north end of the Caribbean, but none of these are expected to form any farther. And you look way out into the Atlantic, and nothing's going on out there all the way to Africa. So it's hot and dry. Hot here and dry pretty much in the tropics for any development. 100 today, mostly sunny skies, breezy and hot, southeasterly winds, may gust up to about 25 to almost 30 miles per hour. And then tonight, mostly clear skies, lows only near 81. So not very cool at all tonight. And first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Remember, it kind of stays this way. Highs near 100 today on average, but could climb a couple degrees hotter across the valley for Thursday and Friday and stay near that level through the weekend with mostly sunny skies and breezy conditions. And nighttime temperatures, you can have any low temperature you want as long as it is 81. And with the breezes and the humidity, it just can't cool off much at night. But we'll keep tracking the heat and have a look at the rainfall chances in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.